I want to try and remove this makeup because I don't have wipes. I want to try and remove it using a Remis Vaseline. I want to try that method. Although nachukia your method because I just feel like it's too gross kupaka like Vaseline on your face and then massaging it. But okay, you guys, thank you so much. Mnani support sana pale Instagram, mnanitumia to likes. Guys, I just signed my contract today as a social media manager for Grand Top Notch. I'm so grateful. Like kutoka nitoke Rema Fest, like God has been showing up for my life. Yani hata mimi mwenyewe siamini. Yani hey, I was walking today nikitoka like job and I was just thinking to myself, wewe mpaka nikashikwa na anxiety. I had like a mini panic attack. Like I just felt like, hey, yani God is just answering me. Kutoka nitoke hiyo Rema Fest, by the way, nilikuwa blessed sana. And more to come in Jesus' mighty name, amen. I'm grateful. Hata siamini. Imagine this process. God nakaje. It's not as bad, but sipendi. I'll try and buy wipes kesho. I need a lot of things. I need wipes, I need conditioner, shampoo, treatments. God, being a woman is just a problem. I'm so tired. At least I wake up every day. I go. I am productive. I do something and then I come back home. So I want to wake up in the morning, kesho. I want to usually do my work in the morning and then afternoon I edit namaliza your story. I just come back home now and just sit. I don't want to be staying in town at mpaka usiku. Ooh, Felicia. One wipe. But I'm still going to wash my face after this. Hey. Ooh, my goodness, it is very oily. Hey. Okay, this method. Another option. Sorry. And to be honest,
you thirsty, please grab Sprite. My crib's lurking, don't dare tonight. I just wanna dance with you, baby. Just don't move too fast, I'm too crazy. Man, down, the air, get shady. Take a nigga mind off that. We can get fucked in the whip, slide right back in the function. One, start busting. That on my Yankee hat. I'm a gangster, fuck gangster rap. With a lady say, hey, what up? You real nigga know the difference. Get in the pound like a kid, that shit. Side nigga never want to follow this nigga. I hope you can't get up. T-strap for the dealer, where you go? Silent Beach, hit the counter, make a dollar, flip it, split the dollars with my mama children. Folks need Porsches, hoes need abortions. I just need your light of my business. Never no time playing, no bitches, never no time to spraying, no witnesses, no face, no kiss, being with shit. Hot out broad day, then empty clips. Cause it was that one school with no fun. Couldn't break my son, no shit, don't sound like a problem say. But that shit never came around my mother away. So he put an AK with the young upset. And after he niggas said, got a problem with me. I'm flipping my nigga, come shot of the roof. So I be rap street. I ain't never ran from nothing but the police.
everything in a give off Europe vibes.
I ain't never ran from nothing but the police.
Nitakupiga picha hapa ndani.
with the kids all day. Already clap, yeah, doing this for the street. Any nigga boss, yeah, sip a little half time. Put back 5 blocks, fire, chocolate fats, I better cut your bitch. Gotta wait.
Hi guys, so today is the 9th of September 2024. No, 8th. Tomorrow is the 9th. 9/11. And I just woke up from a nap, like a 2-hour nap. I'm not feeling well. Nikona nini kitu food poisoning. Natapika. It's crazy. So I want to shower so that nipate nguvu, then I make supper. I'm thinking of mopping the house, but it's like 9 p.m. saying like 8:30, but I just feel like mopping the house, like being active. But maybe I'll do them tomorrow because kesho I'll not go to town. Instead, I'll do that. Msichana ni mrembo lakini fundi.
The best. Lakini nataka tufanye ile kitu. I never ran from them but the police. I never ran from them but the police. I never ran from them but the police. From the city where the skinny carry strong heat. You got the big fast right. My crib's lurking, dumb down tonight. I just wanna dance with you, baby. Just don't move too fast or too crazy. Man, down the alley, get shady. Take a nigga mind off that. We can get fucked in the whip, slide right back in the function. One wrong word, start busting. Put that on my Yankee hat. I'm a gangster, fuck gangster rap. Where the ladies at, where the hoes, where the bitches. Every real nigga know the difference. Bang in the bell like a cat daddy. Shooting in the kitchen room, no side nigga. Never want to follow this nigga be a hoe. Gang color up to yo. T-strap moving for the D-Law where you go. I never ran from them with the police. I never ran from them with the police. I never ran from them with the police. From the city where the skinny catch strong heat. Northside Long Beach,
Northside Long Beach, hit the counter, make $1, flip it, split the dollars with my mama children. Folks need Porsches, hoes need abortions. I just need your light of my business. Never no time to play, no features, never no time to spray, no witnesses, no face, no test, being with the shit. Hot out broad day, then empty clips, cut lines, cause it was no one school with no fun, couldn't break my gun, no chain, don't fly like a problem say. But that shit never came, I'm a mile away, so we put an AK with the end.
Head northeast on Kiambu Road. Continue on Kiambu Road for 4 kilometers.
Si hapa.
Si hapa. Ama. Tabidi tu tuendelee, tuna safari venye nasema 16 minutes away.
Na ikituzungusha wewe unajua mdem. Inaweza tuzungusha alafu pate entrance ni ile ile tu yenye tumepita pale.
Unajua hii nyingine hii ya Mozaiga.
Hiyo ni ulikuwa unasema ya Limuru Road. Hapa pia tunaweza pata njia ya Limuru Road, twende tu.
Hii tukipata njia ya Limuru ni mbali.
Mbali. Turudi.
Mbali, itakuwa mbali sana.
Sawa, turudi basi. Oh yeah.
You see how I'm connecting with nature? Very mindful. Leta tu viatu huku.
Hapa tutapata nini?
Twing.
Misitu. Animal.
Mimi nyoka ndo inanipea problem. Sina hata shida ya kuona vitu kama antelope and what not, but snake, please miss me with that bullshit. So tunatembea tu
bongo tunacha.
Why? Guys, tumepita kwa msitu ingine, hata I didn't vlog that because I needed to concentrate. I've never been that scared in my life. Now, we're looking for the waterfall. We are at the bridge, and there's like a flowing river here. But then nature is not my thing. I'll stick to beaches.
Mhm.
Right.
Juu. Oh, right.
Where?
Kai, right.
Another cave. We got things written here. Caves of Karura Forest. How are caves formed? The geology of this area indicates that the caves were possibly made by flooding and dissolution, or by weathering and erosion of rocks. Oh, okay. Like people never lived here. Pieces of broken pots have also been found with the caves, ranging from some used of 2,000 years ago and others used even today. The different forms and types of decorations of these pieces of pots indicate that they were people of very different cultures living in these caves at various times. Very demure. Oh, nice. Are you connecting with nature?
Beautiful.
But ukipenda, like, I feel like ni passion yako. So if it's something you enjoy doing, it's not really, it doesn't bother you. Kwanza nangoja kupata hiyo Cosmo 3 Pocket 3. 80,000. Tutafika huko lakini.
Hebu niombeni kweli.
Amen. Huku maji sasa inakuwa roughest. Girl, we are meant to be rich. Wow, these walks are nice. Guys, I don't want my battery to die kama sijafika like kwa Oh God, usichekeshe. Hii mti ilianguka. At least huku tunaona watu. Jesus. Hi. Nimechoka, tufiki kwa hiyo nini. The sun is sunning. See glow, Jesus Christ. Utapata wamepotea tu kama hao wengine. Guys, tunapatana na watu wengi. Guys,
Every time you walk, it's like it's the first time.
what?
You like what?
Woo! I love the sound of that, and the air. Sijui kama mnanisikia, it's breathtaking. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. The air is so sappy, very clean. Oh, nice, lovely.
Hi guys, so it's currently 10 a.m. and we are walking to look for an exit out of this forest. This rabbit is tired, so we came across this Samsung planted trees here in the year of 2017 and 2018. 10,000 trees planted. Oh, nice. So nice to know. We recognize you, Samsung. Let's keep soldiering on. Na buibui wasomo wamejaa huku manze. Sasa leo ni siku ya Wakristo, watafanya nini ingine isipokuwa kuja huku? Hawaendi church. Ni kama ka holiday pia kao tu, kasato. We are tea-red. I really wanted my next vlog when like si ndani ya hizi code. Of course. Place ya rich plus uko
unajua pale ya kuingilia. Ni hapo penye wanatembelea hapo hivi. Alafu entrance.
tunaka sporty bag. Guys, we are finally at the village market. Wow. Aki nimesahau village market venye ilikuwa inakaanga. Oh, it's I think washrooms ziko. Wow. Have I ever come here mchana? I don't think so. I'm so amazed. Nishaikuja village market. I think nishaikuja but kitambo sana. Kuna kaa vizuri. Oh my god. Anyway, let's take our time kutafuta bathroom. It's really pretty. Oh, this is nice. And then there's that one. Nice. Okay. Unaleta bibi yako huku shop for lingerie, bras na panties. Is this okay? Oh my goodness. Yes. Kuna panty yake. Kwani already you are big, eh? Maybe I wear these ones, but this one is small. And the black is sexy, manzi. Okay. This bodysuit is tea. Yeah. Karini baye. Supplies. Ina panty? I love this shoe. They are green. Hata hivi they find justice. Guys, we just got to village market. We're trying to clean our shoes. Then we go take a few pictures before Tushibe. And then we are going for lunch at CJ's. Not lunch, breakfast. Jesus Christ. So, tuonane. Guys, I can't wait. We are in village market and we've just been offered the menu. So let's see. Copy your breakfast. What time is it? 11. I need to charge my phone. Where's that ready? My phone is dead, guys. I'm using Wanjira's phone to vlog. So juzi, like hiyo siku yenye tulikuwa na Joan, bochali mwenye alikuwa na yeye. Alikuwa ananiambia, wewe ndo Berlin. I've heard so much about you. And like I've seen your YouTube, I've even subscribed. And I can tell you for sure, like after next year in Africa, you're going to be the next big thing. Like your YouTube is doing great. And so like a year ago nikamwambia no kuna 350 I think you are doing good. Isipokuwa kuna time ulikuwa inconsistent. Venye umerudi sasa you are doing better. Yeah, that's what I want. Where is the breakfast? I think, guys, that's the menu. Croissant. Hey, kuna mtu anakuja hapa. Tutamaliza chai kama hata hizo chapo hajafika. Nimeona chapo hapo. Iko na povu mzuri. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys.
Mwambie wa subscribe.
Subscribe to my baby's channel.
Her.
Tumfikisha 500.
Imagine. I'm just asking for 150 to go 350. Guys, it's so peaceful here. Alafu kuna hii song inacheza hapa. But nikiplay itacopyrightiwa. Naona venye unacheki. Oh, the passion juice is passioning.
Legit.
Umeionja?
Umeonja mango.
Unja passion
Niko
yangu.
heavy. Azi niko thick sana.
Hiyo chakula yote tungekula alafu tena kuweka thick.
Wow.
I know, right? Ni mind blowing.
Okay. Tamu.
Oh my god, this is pure mango.
Thick. Ndio.
Sana. Ni tamu.
Could be the last time that we fall in love again. Oh, and I just can't believe the love I'm in. No, I'm never gonna stop.
Turn me up some more.
Never gonna stop.
I put the new 4G's on the G. I jump into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer call cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen, ain't nothing to dip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had
Word type cheese. I would take that one. Which name take that? Type sheet.
in the mall with the whole team. Now niggas pay us a call cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I've been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass, daddy, whoa, whoa. Attention to my toes, twins are fucking them both. I put it in new big keys, water like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, what you niggas ain't? I know you turned your back on me just to get some wrecks. I seen you swerve back, cause I'm in the black bag. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new vintage. I'm tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. I just mind my business. I got brothers that did the time I ain't kidding. All these rappers just talk about it, I live it. Going up, I ain't got no sky.
Brown skin girl. Na mimi sasa hii si ishapoa. Mama. Please. Thank you. Guys, my breakfast is here. Ooh, I ordered the well done toast mayai. Then there's potatoes and the two what is this? Sausage. Then we have the maharage, the spinach, the chapo. How many chapos are here? Chapo moja amekatanisha mara mbili. Let's see your breakfast. What is this?
Some sandwich. It has cheese and I don't know what. Roasted potatoes.
Roasted potatoes, cheese sandwich, na nyanya.
Yeah.
Unakula hizo nyanya?
No.
Nipe. I had a feeling utakata. Thank you. Napenda nyanya. Wow. I'm so grateful. Guys, I just tasted the potatoes and they're really nice. So I want to try the baked beans. Baridi. Inapaka baridi.
Mboga ni baridi.
The baked beans. Now we are on the spinach. Spinach. Niko tempted kuonja hii nini yako.
Tunga.
Nikatie. Mati yangu chini. Heri jangu chini. Yes. Thank you. Yes, inasteamiwa imepoa.
It's too big a bite. Nikumisha aje?
Hiyo ni mingi. Hii ingine iko sawa.
Kaje? Cheese. Cheese, it has.
Sawa.
You got chicken?
Where is chicken?
Si hapo ndani. Unasikia?
Mimi nimesikia tu cheese.
Mimi napenda cheese by the way.
Guys, bye. Wacha nikule. Hi guys, we just finished breakfast and now we are just looking for somewhere we can go And no, we are going back to where we took pictures in the first place because Wanjira did some shady work. So we are going back to where we took pictures in the first place because alikuwa analala kwa class. So we are going back there. I want hottest pictures. Okay? This one. Mama yangu kidogo nianguke. I like to nana and I like to shop at the mall. So here's the place. Here's the place, guys. I think tunafaa kwenda juu. Hatuenda place kama pale. But sasa unaona nataka nini? Nataka hizi aesthetics. Si ushapiga picha place kama hapa, si ndio?
Yeah, but sasa unless ukija hapa.
Like indo naona kama mtu anapanda mpaka pale Wanjira. Ndio nipate ile view. Sijui kama unanielewa. Kuna hizi escalator nazipanda vibaya. Sijui ni ushamba. Kai by this day enda bowling. Tunafaa tupange siku moja tuende bowling. Usiku. Hey, that view. Haya harvest inakuanga huku. Wow. Walai sijai kuja village market. I like to I like to shop at the mall. Unajua hii mbosi jua ni gani? Why? Mungu wangu. How do we get to these floors? That is the question. Zingine. Now you understand me. Nakwambia na feel ni kama niko kwa sijaenda Dubai, but na feel kama niko kwa mall yetu. It is so peaceful, and then there's just white people. It's just giving off like ritual. Oh, in the Woolworths. Sijaiona Woolworths, guys. This is Woolworths. Kuna Woolworths Kenya. Wow. So nice. Hey, I'd love those t-shirts. Niko short t-shirt hapo vile. We, wacha niwaambie, tumeona bra 7,000 bra. Zambi.
Just one bra.
We are finally going home. Nini yako inatoaje masikio za mtu? Nakaa kama elf. That was the best morning and afternoon spent. Nikikatu home usingizi itaniokota. Nijisikie tu 6. I'm going to try and edit this vlog kidogo, and I'm probably going to end this vlog here.
Post this vlog tomorrow.
Tomorrow is on Monday. Hey, unafikiria kuedit ndio hivyo? I'll try and post kesho. So sad, but I'm ending the vlog here. Bye bye guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey, hizi hoodies zinakaa vizuri. Anyway, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I had the best Sunday. I want to be spending my Sundays like this. This is what I like. Thank you. It's just screaming luxury. I love this glass shop. Inakaa poa. But sitaki kuingia huko. I'm very clumsy. Naweza fanya hivi matako kila kitu yangu. Nipige. Ni mwanamke? Like driver ni mwanamke? Oh. Anaongea kama msichana.
Kwani unasikia?
Nasikia kwa umbali. Na funny enough nikishika hivi sisikii, but wewe ukiongea nikiwa hapo nasikia. I can pick. Guys, we are finally leaving Village Market. That was nice. That was beautiful. Bye bye. Nishasema like, share, subscribe. Nimerudi tena hapa. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Aki usifogget to subscribe. Next year tunafaa kuwa mahali, tunafaa kuwa tunaongelea 1000 going to 5000. Per. Haya. Our Uber is here. Ni gani? Nimeona mtu na iPhone 12 mini kama yangu, but yake ni ya purple. Si inakaa vizuri, alafu hata hajaivalisha cover. Mimi ningekuwa nishaipaswanisha yote. Nimeanza kuedit
The counter, make it down to flip it, split the dollars with my mama children. Folks need Porsches, hoes need abortions. I just need your light of my business. Never no time to play, no features, never no time to spray, no witnesses, no face, no kiss, being with the shit. I felt broad day, didn't